So use the first part of this video to learn the variations. We're going to work on 3 different postures. First posture, Utthita Trikonasana, to stretch. Right arm out and open up the left arm. Stretch towards the right side. If you're quite new at doing yoga, then don't go too deeply. Maybe this is the maximum I can go. The left arm is up towards the ceiling. Look forwards or look towards the ceiling. Maybe you're going to come down towards the leg so that the hand comes to the foot. And if you're superhuman, or have done a lot of yoga, try to grab the big toe. There's a second version of this stretched triangle. Bring the left arm towards the ear. Don't go too deeply if you find this difficult. And of course, you can stretch right down to the ankle or to the foot. Use any of these variations for the stretched triangle. Twisted triangle. My legs open like so. Bring my left foot a little out to the side. Left hip forwards, fall over my front leg. Stay here for a moment and let your body adjust. If you feel comfortable, twist the upper body, stretch the hand towards the ceiling. Second version, put the hand to the floor. Third version, left hand to the right side. There is also another thing we can do with the twisted triangle and the stretched triangle, and that is to use blocks. Here I have 2 different sizes of block, a thin one and a thick one here. I could lean on a block and stretch my hand up. And the same with the twisted posture. So as I come forwards, this will help me. Maybe I have the hands just resting, or I have it a little higher. I could also put it to the other side and twist. By leaning on the block, it just makes it a lot more comfortable to work. These blocks are your friends. Lunge postures. So we're going to work with Utthita Parshvokonasana, which is a stretched lunge. Bring the legs a lot wider. Turn out my right foot. Bend the knee 90 degrees. First version, rest my hand on my knee and stretch my left arm towards my ear, looking up towards the hand. The second version, twisting my body slightly. I'm letting the body almost rest on the upper leg, bringing my hand to the floor and then stretching my arm out and looking up towards my hand. And Parvrita Parshvokonasana, bending my knee to 90 degrees. Bring the elbow to the knee, bring the hands together and twist up towards the ceiling. Our friends, the props, you can have the prop on the floor. I'm bending the knee to 90 degrees, so we're not going to rest on the knee. You're going to go straight towards the floor. You're stretching the left arm to the ear and looking up towards the hand. These are the 2 versions, Utthita Parshvokonasana to stretch and Parvrita Parshvokonasana to twist. The next posture we're going to work with is Prasarita Padottanasana. I'm just going to have my legs wide apart. Bring the hands behind the back. Relax the shoulders and then allowing my head to come forwards and stretch my arm over my head. If you're finding it very difficult when you're stretching forwards, then just grab a belt, have the hands kind of like so. Allow the arms to stretch out over the head. With all these asanas, use the variation that you can work best with. Don't be a superhero. Don't think you can do it all just in one go. Take your time. Each day you will get a little bit better at working with the yoga postures. Now that we know what we're doing, it's time for you to go and get your yoga mat, bring it into the room, lay it on the floor, and let's practice yoga together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So come to the yoga mat. We begin with the stretch triangle, Utthita Trikonasana. So there are two ways you can work. You can work with the arm straight, or in this case, we'll bring the arm to the ear. Now don't go too deep if it's difficult. Maybe you remain with the hand towards the knee or the ankle, stretching the arm up to the ceiling, and if you're really very flexible, you can hold on to the big toe. Relax your shoulders, relax your back, and breathe deeply, allowing the body to relax into the posture. And let's begin to work on the other side. So we change over the feet. So now we're going to stretch over the left leg. Remain as relaxed as possible as you move into the posture. Find the right position for your practice. And breathe deeply. Allowing the mind and the body to relax into the position. And coming out of the posture, and we'll work with Utthita Parshvottanasana, so lunge posture. So bending the right knee to 90 degrees, you can leave the arm on the knee or bring the hand to the floor, or remember you can also use a block here if you need to. Relax into the position and breathe deeply. And slowly coming out, and we'll do the same posture over the left foot, elbow to the knee, or you bring the hand to the floor. Find a steady, rhythmic breath. Allow the mind and the body to relax. The body will adjust to the posture. And coming out slowly. And we'll work again with the right leg. So we're going to twist the body. So this is Parivrtta Parshvottanasana. Bring the left elbow to the right knee. The hands come together and look up towards the ceiling. And once again, allow yourself to completely relax into the position. And slowly coming out. So we'll repeat again on the left leg. Knee at 90 degrees. Bring this right elbow to the left knee. Breathe deeply and completely relax. Good, let's work on the next posture. So Prasarita Padottanasana. Legs are wide. Bringing the hands behind the back and stretching the arms over the head. Allow the shoulders and neck to completely relax. breath is steady, and enjoy the posture. And slowly coming out. Allow the breath to relax, the shoulders, the neck to relax. And then we're going to come and lie on the mat and take 2 or 3 minutes in Shavasana, completely relaxing the body. Let every muscle in the body relax. The feet relax. The knees relax, the hips relax. The abdomen relaxes, the chest. Allow your shoulders to relax. The neck, the arms, the hands and the fingers relax. Let all the muscles of your face relax. The eyes relax. The brain is relaxed. And the mind completely relaxes. Relax, relax, relax. And then slowly coming out of the posture, stretching the arms over the head, stretching out the legs, and bring yourself to a sitting position, and we can chant the mantra Om and then Shanti together. Use chin mudra, so the thumb and the index finger together. Close the eyes. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.